Hi, I'm Jordan Sell, Product Specialist for Custom Assemblies. Today we're talking about a new labor and material saving solution, the Werner Electric Supply Lightning Pole. There are many benefits to using the Lightning Pole solution, one of which is the labor saving aspect of the service. With wire in pre-cut lengths and pre-bundled colors and sizes, it takes fewer hands to pull into the conduit. Another benefit of a lightning pole is a reduction in scrap. Since the sizes, colors, and length of the pole are predetermined by the customer on the Werner Electric lightning pole order form, they are pre-cut to those specified lengths. This results in minimal scrap and less waste on site. Each Werner Electric lightning pole is set up with an easy-to-read printed label. These labels are applied to each end, and then 2 additional sets of the printed labels are sent along with the pole for termination. When these poles are delivered to the worksite, each one has a spool ID. This makes them easy to manage. Simply grab the spool you need and pull it in. These poles can also be set up for stacking, for easy installation when everything is being pulled from one spot. You can set one large spool up when have 10 or more poles stacked on that single spool. With our standard colors and size options, there is a 3 to 5 day lead time. Sizes and color options include number 10 and number 12 of the following colors: black, red, blue, brown, orange, yellow, white, gray, and green. Outside of these color options, price and lead time may vary. A Werner Electric lightning pole is great for anything from a 50 conductor control pole between cabinets to the number 6 and number 8 3-wire systems for parking lot poles. For more information about Werner Electric lightning poles, please contact your local Werner Electric Supply account manager.